Hey everyone, welcome back. This is a quick follow-up to the last video where I fixed the VCRUNTIME140.dll missing error in Windows 11. A few viewers told me they're on Windows 7 and the latest redistributable won't run there, so here's the Windows 7 friendly version. Short explanation. The newest Microsoft Visual C Redistributable only supports Windows 10 and 11. So if you're on Windows 7, you need the older redistributable installers that still run on Windows 7. First, open your browser and go to this page to grab the Visual C Redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. Choose your language and click Download. Check both the x64 and x86 options. Click the Download button. Run each installer to install both the x64 and x86 packages. Restart your PC. Okay, let's reopen the app. That's it. The problem is solved. Visual C Redistributable for Visual Studio 2022 is the latest that still supports Windows 7. I'll put the link in the description. You can download it directly. Installing the Visual C Redistributable packages will not only fix the missing VCRUNTIME140.dll error, but also resolve missing MSVCP140.dll, MSVCP120.dll, MSVCP110.dll, and other related errors. If this helps, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tech tips. Thanks for watching.